Hi, welcome to Random Thoughts for today on acceptance of differences. I'm Professor Bala. Whenever we think of organizations or even our personal lives, and there are conflicts all around, and most of the time, the conflicts, in my view, arise out of the unwillingness on the part of people, unwillingness or inability to accept the differences in people. Why does it happen? Supposing there are two individuals interacting with each other, and there is a difference in perception, there is a difference in understanding, there is a difference in the way people look at things. Why can't we simply accept the existence of such differences? We need not necessarily agree with them. We don't agree with everything that the other person says, but we can always accept that the other person has a right to differ, has a right to think differently. And once you start accepting that, and once you start appreciating that, in my belief, the probability of conflict resolution rises exponentially. Most of the conflicts arise because people are either unwilling or unable to accept the existence of differences. And I have seen this happening in organizations a number of times. When there are two people, the question is, how can you say this? Or how can you do this? Why do you do this? Now, such questions assume that the other person cannot be different. The other person cannot think differently, cannot perceive things differently. It arises out of that. And therefore, I think it is a matter of deep concern that all of us should start learning the art of acceptance of differences. And once we start accepting the differences, not necessarily agreeing to them, but accepting the right of the other person to differ. Once you start doing that, you will experience less conflicts, less threatening situations in organizations, less problems in team working, all that. Think about it. We'll keep chatting.